Hi friends, today I'm going to teach you how to make spicy mutton yakhni biryani, and we need around 850 grams of mutton which we are going to pressure cook them, and we need 18 to 20 black peppercorns and cloves, 1 whole bay leaf, green cardamoms, 2 black cardamoms, 1 whole cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and we would also need 3 to 4 teaspoons of fennel seeds and 3 to 4 teaspoons of whole coriander seeds. We would also need 1 whole inch of ginger and 7 to 8 cloves of garlic. Then we also need 6 to 7 green chilies and half whole onion and 2 onions deep fried and golden in color, and saffron soaked into water, and also saffron color, and around 1 teaspoon of kevda water or rose water. We will also need 1 kg of basmati rice and 2 whole dried red chilies as well, and salt as per taste. So now I am heating the pan over here, and I will just I'll add all the whole spices like the whole red chilies, ginger, garlic, bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, whole black cardamoms, green cardamoms, cloves around 9 to 12, black peppercorns, around half whole onions, 6 to 7 green chilies cut into half, 2 teaspoons of coriander whole, 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, 3 to 4 teaspoons of jeera, and we will just roast it all together for around 1 minute. I will just add the mutton into this. I'll add around 1 liter of water into this. And I'll just mix all these things together. You should add so much water that all the mutton pieces are submerged in water. We'll also add salt, around 3 teaspoons of salt. I'll now just cover the lid, and I'm going to cook it for around 20-25 minutes. So now after 25 minutes, the yakhni is now ready. I'm just separating the mutton pieces from the yakhni water. And then I will just strain this water so that all the whole spices are just separated from the water and it does not come into our mouth while eating. Now I am heating ghee in the vessel. I'll add around 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and I will also add fried onions, and keep a little bit just for garnishing. I'll just add the boiled mutton pieces into this. let it just roast the mutton pieces for around 1 to 2 minutes. And also add the soaked basmati rice. I soaked it for around 30 minutes. I'm just going to mix it. I will add the yakhni water into this. Added the yakhni into the rice, and it should be just 1 finger above the rice. And I'll just cover it with a lid, and we are going to cook it for around 15 minutes on a medium to low flame. So after 10 minutes, the biryani will look like this. I will just add the kesar. A little bit of kevra water. And I'll close the lid again. I will cook it for another 5-6 minutes more. The Yakhni biryani is now ready, and I've just plated it, and I've just served cucumber, tomato and onions with this. You can also have it with raita. So just try out this recipe and let me know whether you have liked it or not. Do subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Good.